This is a quick demo of Spartan Forge overlaying a safety zone marker on the map. In New Jersey, where I normally hunt, we are required to be away from buildings 150 feet if using a bow. If we're using a firearm, we need to be 450 feet away from any building. In this example, I'm going to do a safety zone for an archery hunt, which is 150 feet, but the same principle applies if you're going to plan a hunt and you need to know if you're 450 feet away if you're using a firearm. So in this case, I'm going to zoom in and put my crosshairs on the edge of the building that I plan to hunt near. Now, I'm going to plan a hunt that I need to be 150 feet away from this building. So I put the cursor right on the far edge of the building. I'm going to plan on hunting north of this building. So I'm going to click on the coordinates in the Spartan Forge web app, and that's going to copy it to my clipboard. Now then, I'm going to go to a third-party website. This isn't related or affiliated with Spartan Forge. This is just some other website somebody has as a KML circle generator. The nice thing here is all I need to do is tell it what my radius of my circle is. In this case, I'm going to be archery hunting, so I need to be 150 feet. So that's what I selected. Unfortunately, this website doesn't allow you to select 450. They only give you the option 500. So you could select 450 meters. That's essentially 490 feet. That's good enough if I were to do a firearms hunt here. But I'm going to do archery, so I'm going to do 150 feet. Again, that's New Jersey's legal requirement for safety zones. Now that I have my coordinates in my clipboard, I'm just going to paste it in here. Now, Spartan Forge put both latitude and longitude in my clipboard, so I'm going to paste them both in here, but I only need the first number in this left field, so I'm going to delete the second number, and the longitude I'm going to delete the first number, so let's delete there. And now I'm going to generate the circle, and here I'm just going to save it to my downloads folder. Now I go back to Spartan Forge, and I'm going to go to the My Content tab and click the Import button, which is off screen here, but you just go to the My Content tab and click the Import button, and now I can select that circle file that I just downloaded. And you wait. Now you can't do this on the phone app, you have to do this on the desktop web app, which is why I'm on the desktop web app. Okay, so now it's done, so I'm going to go back, and now here you can see I have my circle and my center point. That was stored in the KML. I can change the name of this point. I could say house here, and I'll save it. Unfortunately, in Spartan Forge today, you cannot rename a track, which is essentially what the circle is here. When you import this, it's actually a track. So here you can see I can click, I can't change this. It's named circle. Circle is the name of in the KML file. Had I edited that KML file, I can rename this. But you have to do that ahead of time. You can't change it once you import it. So, but that's it. I mean, at this point, I can now go on my map and I can see where I have to be outside of this. This is the safety zone. I cannot hunt inside of this circle. I can hunt outside of it. In New Jersey, this state land is outside of this house. So even though this is legal for me to hunt, land-wise, this is public land here, but I mean it would be inside the safety zone. So I would have to hunt outside here. So I found this really interesting feature that, for example, HuntStand did not allow me to do. One of the reasons why I switched from HuntStand to Spartan Forge. All right, that's it. Hope that was helpful.